So now after the user chooses the checkout option, it's going to display here the you ordered meals number object, because now we have an object instead of just an array. So you can loop through that array of objects, and display all of these meals, or you can just display the total price. So I'm going to just display the total price, which is more meaningful and more important. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to create another function called function and then get total price, which is just a function that is going to loop through the meals and then get the price and add the price of all meals and then return the total. So what I'm going to do is that here I'm going to create a for loop for, and then we have let I equals to 0, and then I smaller than the user dot meals dot length. And as long as I is smaller than the user.meals.length, I need to increase the index and get each meal, the price of each meal. So here I'm gonna just use the user.meals of I and then dot price, and I'm gonna store it in here a local variable called let price equals to 0. And then here, let's name it total price, total price. And each time we add a price, we add the old price plus the new meal price. So here plus equals, and then at the end we just return the total price. So here inside the checkout, if the user chooses 50, I am going to here comment this out, and I'm gonna use again the Chatbots in message, and then I'm gonna say total price and then $sign. And then what I'm gonna do is that I am going to call the function which is get total price, and we are done. Let me save now and refresh. Now if I choose meal number 1 and then meal number 2, and if I type 50, which is the checkout option, and as you can see now it's going to display 59. Why? Because the first meal price was 24, the second meal was 35, so the total is 59. So here we have the total price displayed to the user, and then the user can check out.